Hi everyone, welcome back to the nodejs tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about HTTP web server. The Node.js framework is mostly used to create server-based applications. The framework can easily be used to create web servers which can serve content to users. There are a variety of modules such as the HTTP and request module which helps in processing server-related requests in the web server space. So let's create HTTP web server. For that, go to the project and inside the index.js file, uh, first of all, require the HTTP package. So just type here where HTTP is equal to require HTTP. Okay, and now create a server. So just type here where server is equal to HTTP and call the create server method. Inside this method, pass a callback function, and this function just pass two parameter. First is request and another is response. Okay, and inside this callback function, just write here response dot write head and just pass here 200 and content type text plain. Okay, write head 200 comma content type. Good. Then remove this comma. Okay, and response dot end and just pass here a text message hello world. Okay, now set the port number server dot listen 3000. Let's say port number is 3000. Okay, and just print a message console dot log server is listening, server is running on port localhost 3000. Okay, all right, now save the file and let's run this. So go to the command prompt and here just write node space index dot js and press enter. Now you can see here server is running on localhost 3000. So go to the browser and just type here localhost 3000. Okay, and you can see here the message hello world. All right, now let's get the requested URL. So inside the index.js file, just comment this line and type here response.end and just type here requested URL is concatenation operator request.url. Okay, now save the file and just rerun the index.js file. So just type here node space index.js. Now go to the browser and just refresh the page. You can see here root, and if I change the URL, let's say URL home, and you can see here request URL is home. Okay, and if I change home users, you can see here home users. Alright, so in this way you can create server on nodejs. So that's all about http web server. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.